Hello, my dear children, kids, learners, students, and friends. Good morning. This is Suresh Bhardwaj with the sound of vowels. First letter of English alphabet A has been taken here. Okay. Words have been written here on the whiteboard, and the pronunciation of this A as A. In these words, A, this is sound symbol. Sound symbol of A, that is A. This is now sound symbol. Sound symbol, it means A. It refers to A. In these words, A pronounced as A. Okay, dear. C-A-R. C-A-R, car. B-A-R, bar. J-A-R, jar. P-A-R-K, park. M-A-R-K, mark. D-A-R-K, dark. F-A-S-T, fast. P-A-S-T, past. M-A-S-T, mast. Okay. M-A-S-K, mask. T-A-S-K, task. B-A-S-K, bask. C-A-R-T, cart. M-A-R-T, mark. And P-A-R-T, part. A now is pronounced. Pronunciation of A is here A, and this is your sound symbol. Okay, dear. So you in previous video you have learnt A pronounced as I, but here in these words A, sound of A is A. In these words, now you may see. Okay, dear, wish you all the best and brightest. Thanks a lot.